Okay, quick watering tip. If you have a park strip with grass, did you know they make nozzles specifically for park strips so you're not just constantly spraying out into the street? Look at the nozzles. Typically they'll have a number and a letter. Number usually means how many feet it's set to spray for. The letter Q means quarter, so it's a quarter circle. You can also see this little pattern here, so it's going to spray that quarter. U just means undercut. I like to use the U. That means it also sprays down, not just up, so it's spraying closer to the head. So when you're looking for the park strip nozzle, you're going to want to find one that says SST. It stands for side strip. So it's going to shoot 15 feet each direction on this particular nozzle and only several feet forward. That way it doesn't overshoot into the street but sprays down the park strip. The most common by far type of sprinkler head in the park strip is just a pop-up spray body. These are very easy to change out. You just unscrew the nozzle, make sure it has a clean filter, screw in the new park strip head. Hopefully this video helped. Go ahead and check out our other videos for more yard care tips.